They say life is but a dream, growing from seeds in our minds, a perfect place in our imagination, inspiring you, giving you the courage you might need. We chase our dreams during the day, only to relive our days within our dreams. Rewinding, pressing pause, we dream of beautiful things, of laughter, of joy, of hope and happiness, of being young and growing old, and everything that's in between. We dream of love, of loving and being loved. We dream about the moments we cherish, about the people we care about most. How proud we make them. How proud they make us. We realize what matters most. The people we share these moments with. They say life is but a dream. But isn't life just a little better?